Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button. And remember the notification bell because that way you'll be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly DIYs that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Today's video is part of a Follow the Rainbow DIY collab that's hosted by my talented and beautiful friend Leeny from Krafty Leeny. I will have her channel linked in the description box below so that you can go and check out all of her amazing creations. In the description box, I will also link the video of the DIYer you will follow next to see what color she chose and what she created, and I chose the color gold. We are also doing $100 US giveaway through PayPal. For a chance to win, you must watch all of our videos and leave a comment. Thank you all again for watching another one of my videos. I do appreciate your support. For my color, I will be using this acrylic paint called Golden Dandelion. I did pick this paint up from Hobby Lobby and I absolutely love it. For the first DIY, I have one of these small round vases from the Dollar Tree. I also will be using one of these round foam balls, and I have some of the Dollar Tree decorative rope. Also, I picked up one of these round reef tags that they sell at the Dollar Tree. And from Hobby Lobby, I have two of these greenery bunches. And these are regular price $1.99, but I got these for 50% off. The first thing I'm going to do is glue my vase down to the little wooden reef ring. And after I get that glued down, what I'm going to do is now take that acrylic paint and I am going to paint the entire DIY. I really like this color. I am going to go over this a few times just to give it some texture. And after I get this completely painted, I am going to take that decorative rope and I am just going to glue it right in between the vase and the little wooden tag. And I'm just taking my hot glue and pressing it down, and after I cut it off, I'm just going to add some more hot glue so that I can blend the two rope ends together. And then after that is done, what I'm going to take is that foam ball and I am going to glue it down. And then all I have to do is add in my two greenery picks. And this was simple, but I think this is so pretty. I absolutely love it. And so now I'm going to get started on the second DIY for today. And for this DIY, I will be using one of these greenery bunches from Walmart for $2. I have another vase from the Dollar Tree, and I have 4 of these wooden beads from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use that same color paint, and I'm going to give this vase only one coat. And now what I'm going to do is just glue these 4 wooden beads down to the bottom of the vase. And I'm not going to paint them. I'm going to leave them the natural color that they are. After I get this complete, all I have to do is add in my greenery, and this is complete as well. Simple, but I absolutely love the color. And so now I'm going to get started on the third DIY for today, and I'll be using another bunch of those greenery picks from Hobby Lobby, and I have 8 painter sticks out of the 10-pack for 98 cents at Walmart. I have this cute little bird on a stand from Target for $1, and I have this pretty satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using the same color paint with a little bit of antique wax. So what I'm going to do first is just line my painter sticks up. And then I'm going to take some craft sticks to connect these painter sticks together. And I'm just going to add some hot glue and press it down. And I'm just going to continue adding these craft sticks until I get close to the top. And once I get all of my painter sticks on there, the next thing I'm going to do is paint it using that same color acrylic paint. And I'm going to paint the front and the back. And once I get this complete, I'm going to use the antique wax and I'm going to distress over the front of this sign. And after I get that complete, I am going to attach some jute cord to the top of this sign. I'm just going to take some hot glue and tack it down in the back and just wrap it around a few times. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and tack it down in the back and then just cut off the excess. And after I get this complete, what I'm going to do is start adding my greenery, and I did pull them all off the bunch so that I can glue them down separately. And I'm only going to be attaching the greenery mostly to one side of this sign. And this is going to be a really simple, cute sign. And once I get all of my greenery attached, I'm going to take that satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree and just create a really simple bow. And I'm just going to attach that bow right in the center of the greenery. And so after I get the bow tie, I am going to just go and clip down the ends. And then I'm going to add some hot glue to attach the bow. And then after I get the bow attached, what I'm going to do is take the bird from Target, and I did pull it off the base. It was really simple to detach. And then I'm just going to add some hot glue and press down my little bird. I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm actually going to leave it the unfinished color. And to be able to hang this sign, what I'm going to do is attach some jute cord to the back of it. And I'm just going to take a piece of jute cord and I'm going to attach it using some hot glue to create my hanger. And after I get this complete, this DIY is done, and I absolutely think this sign is so cute. I really like how this turned out. Really simple but pretty, and here is a second look of the other DIYs that I created today. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I really do appreciate all of your support. If you like this video, please remember to give it thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. And in the comment box below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And remember, today's video is part of the Follow the Rainbow collab hosted by the talented Leeny from Krafty Leeny. I will have her channel linked in the description box below, along with the next DIYer who you will follow to see what color she chose and what she created. And don't forget about our $100 US giveaway. Thank you all on behalf of all of us for supporting this collab, and thank you for supporting my channel. Until next time, my friends, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.